Willow, how did this end up in your water? Did you put that there in your water ball? Willow, this. Are you alive, bro? I think it's dead. So the funny thing is, Willow doesn't even like that waterer. So we have to use the water, don't mind that, that's over here, because Willow likes people cups. So I keep this right here, and I try to remember not to drink from it myself, because I normally keep my drink right about there. And this is just, I don't know why, it's what she prefers.